In this section, we'll guide you through setting up a project from scratch. When you're ready to build a project from the ground up, start by entering a unique project name to identify it clearly. Next, provide a project description to ensure all team members understand the project's purpose. Then, select the client, assign the project manager, and, if needed, choose a substitute. Once you've completed these steps, the project list view will open, providing the ideal starting point for your new project. Depending on your project style, Kanban or list view, you can rename project sections as milestones or add additional phases. In this example, I'll use milestones and rename the first sections as follows: project planning, wireframing, and prototyping, design phase. Next, it's time to add tasks for each milestone. For the project planning milestone, I'll add tasks like define project scope, objectives, and goals. Gather detailed requirements from stakeholders. If you already have tasks saved in your task templates, you can easily add them by selecting Add Task from Template. In my case, I'll add Finalize the project plan, timeline, and budget from the template. The benefit of using templates is that predefined tasks come with clear descriptions, helping team members understand exactly what needs to be done. And that's it. Any changes made to a project in the Kanban or list view are saved automatically. If you'd like to learn more about tasks and project setup, visit the resource section on your welcome page or contact our customer service team.